Aviatsiyada samolyot g'ildiraklari bilan muammolar bo'lib turadi. Hozir e'tiboringizga samolyot g'ildiraklari bilan bo'lgan muammolarning videolarini havola etamiz. Videodagi lavhalar qachon va qayerda suratga olingani haqida ma'lumotlar mavjud emas. Videoga like bosib kanalimizga obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Qiziqarli videolar hali oldinda. E'tiboringizga sharhsiz lavha.
Ah oui.
Là, on était préoccupé par l'avion qui était devant et tout.
Oui, 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 oui. العربية اللي واقفة جنبي تبقى جاهزة. جاهزين يا فندم. خش وراه خش وراه.
bugger. Full flat, so he's going to get some burble off those trees and contact.
Nice, good job, dude.
Can you explain why we've got a ladder out there?
The ship had this amazing invention that was like basically a stool that was built specifically for this reason. The ship has a lighting system on what we call spot 7 that we use to land at an exact spot every time. So I come in and at this point I've kind of forgotten that I don't have a nose gear. I'm just focused on landing. I go to idle. I remember my main gear hitting and all of a sudden my nose dropping, and it dropped more than I expected. But at that point I was along for the ride. I don't remember feeling it bounce like it did on the videotape. I remember feeling it just kind of hit.
Do 16 zezwalam lądować. Wiatr przyziemny 104 węzły. Informacyjnie na krótkiej prostej waszej wyłączymy oświetlenie pasa.
Mamy zgodę na lądowanie. Dziękuję.
Do 16 zgłoś pas zasięgu wzroku.
Zgłosimy pas zasięgu wzroku.
Powodzenia.
Zapalił się, skurcz.